Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize TikTok ads for AI reporting automation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your TikTok Ads Manager account. Navigate to the Account section in the main menu. Under Account, find and select Settings. Scroll down to the User Management section. Click on Add User to invite a new user. Enter the email address of the user you want to authorize. Choose the appropriate permission level for ads and reporting. Ensure you select the option for API access. Click Send Invitation to finalize the user addition. The invited user will receive an email to accept the invitation. Once accepted, go back to the User Management section. Confirm that the new user's permissions are active. Next, navigate to the API section in the main menu. Select API Documentation for guidance on integration. Follow the provided instructions to set up your AI reporting tool. Make sure your tool is designed to interface with the TikTok Ads API. Generate an access token from the API settings for authentication. Input this access token into your AI reporting system. Test the connection between TikTok Ads and your AI tool. Check for successful data retrieval to ensure proper authorization. Review the reporting features available in your AI tool. Customize the settings to fit your reporting needs. Monitor the automation process for accuracy and efficiency. Regularly check for updates in the TikTok Ads API documentation. Stay informed about any changes that may affect your integration. Your TikTok Ads authorization for AI reporting automation is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.